Divine One, I'm so glad this is finding you. I have a really important message from your higher self and guides today. So take a deep breath in with me and just listen as this opens your heart and mind to whatever might be in front of you. You might have been in a place of survival for a really long time. Survival might be your go-to. In fact, you might not know anything other than survival. And so while you've done the healing and conditions and circumstances are starting to change, there still may be a part of you that's stuck in that survival as you're trying to stand in the safety and security of the life of thriving. And it's really important to allow yourself to be held and nurtured here. What I was feeling as I got on to do this was there might be a part of you that's in denial of what's happening in your life. You might be pushing forward with the hustle and the grind and not allowing yourself to step back and be held. But the universe is very powerful. The universe never needs to rest. And sometimes when we can't set aside the hustle, what we actually do is undermine the miracles that are meant for us. When we can't say, okay, I've done enough, and allow that space to let the universe create magic, what we're trying to do is control the situation. When you try to control or repress or attach or cling to something, it can't fully blossom. It can't fully open. And so what your higher self is saying right now is take a deep breath. You've done enough. Lay down your weapons, let your mind rest, let your body rest, and allow yourself to be in full faith that miracles are happening for you. It's time to let yourself move out of the vibration of survival and step into the period of life where you get to thrive. The integration period is hard because it's unknown, and even your nervous system can feel like it's not safe because you've always felt that the hustle, the grind, the survival was safety. And so now that you're coming into this place where there's more peace, more calm, your nervous system might be freaking out. And because you're so used to showing up, you're hustling, you're doing the work, but in doing so, you're denying the blessings in your present moment right now and blocking the blessings of the future. So take a big deep breath. Tell yourself you've done enough and step back into the place where the universe creates miracles and you simply get to thrive. I love you so much. I'm so proud of you for being brave enough to be on this journey, and it's all going to happen for you. As always, breathe deep and plan on miracles. You've got this.